What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jason. Oh, it's a rainy, gloomy afternoon. Today, I am making my way to pick up another truck. This one actually came up really ideal situation. It's only about 20 minutes from home, so it's a quick, easy trip for me to go grab it. I've got the trailer hooked up on the truck. I did my pre-trip walk around, made sure all my lights are working, especially since it's raining today. But yeah, we're gonna go get this thing picked up. It's another one I'm excited about, not only to part out, but I also can use some of the parts from this one on the surplus Suburban. This one's got a few parts in it that I need for that surplus Suburban, so we can get that one closer to ready to go as well. So here we go, we're headed out. There we go, guys. We got it back to the house. Whole thing. Like I said, I'm going to use some parts of this for the surplus Suburban. the front bumper. I can bend this side back out to where it should be, but we'll use the front bumper on it. I may or may not put this grille on it. I haven't decided if I like the black painted one it has or if I want to go back to the factory style chrome. So maybe other little miscellaneous odds and ends. This one has a factory radio. I can't decide if I want to use the factory radio or the aftermarket radio, but all kinds of other little odds and ends in this thing that I can use on that surplus Suburban to get it up to 100% how I want it. But that's pretty much it, everybody. Hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed, and got to see exactly how I do this. Like I said, this was a quick, easy one. It's only about 25 minutes from my house. Easy to get to. Guy was super friendly. Gave me all the paperwork. Everything's good to go. So yeah, I'll use the parts I need, and then the rest of it will get sold in parts and pieces to go help other people with their projects, repairs, whatever it may be. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead, give the video a like if you haven't already. It helps me out. And if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time.